Yo, wanna make bank? Money Pantry's got your back. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or completely transform your financial situation, we've got the tools and tips you need. Tired of ramen noodles? Bills piling up higher than your sneaker collection? Feeling like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of financial stress? We've all been there. The struggle is real, but guess what? There's a way out, and it's easier than you think. Making extra cash doesn't have to be a drag. In fact, it can be fun and rewarding. That's where Money Pantry swoops in like your financial superhero sidekick. We're here to help you navigate the world of side hustles and smart money moves. This ain't your grandma's coupon clipping service. We're talking modern, innovative ways to save and earn. Money Pantry is the ultimate platform for discovering legit ways to earn some serious dough. We're talking side hustles, cashback rewards, and so much more. Free trials that you can actually cancel without the hassle, and opportunities that fit your lifestyle. And more money-making opportunities than you can shake a stick at. From online gigs to creative ways to save, we've got it all. So if you're ready to ditch the broke life and level up your finances, buckle up. It's time to take control of your financial future. Money Pantry is about to become your new best friend. Get ready to explore a world of financial freedom and endless possibilities. Side hustle king? Money Pantry's your secret weapon. Look, everyone's got a side hustle these days, right? Whether you're a coding ninja or a dog-walking extraordinaire, Money Pantry helps you find the perfect side gig to match your skills and interests. Want to get paid for sharing your opinion? Boom! Surveys galore. Got a knack for writing? Cha-ching! Freelance gigs await. Money Pantry curates the hottest side hustles, so you don't have to waste time searching the internet like a lost puppy. Surveys, cashback, and free trials. Oh my, let's break it down, fam. We're diving into the world of easy money-making opportunities that you can do right from your couch. Money Pantry hooks you up with some of the best ways to earn extra cash without breaking a sweat. Surveys, companies actually pay for your opinion. Finally, it's a win-win situation where you get to share your thoughts and get paid for it. Share your thoughts on everything from sneakers to streaming services and earn some sweet, sweet cash. It's like getting paid to talk about what you love. Cashback rewards. Shop online? Of course you do. And now, you can get rewarded for it. Money Pantry partners with major retailers to give you cash back on your everyday purchases. Imagine getting a percentage of your money back every time you shop. It's like getting paid to shop. Who wouldn't love that? Free trials. We've all been tempted by those free trial offers, only to forget to cancel and get hit with a surprise charge. But don't worry, we've got your back. Money Pantry helps you navigate the free trial jungle so you can snag the deals without the debt. We remind you to cancel before the charges hit so you can enjoy the benefits without the costs. Section 4. Level up your earnings pro tips from Money Pantry. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or aiming to boost your primary income, these tips will help you get there. Ready to become a Money Pantry master? It's easier than you think, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Here are some insider tips to maximize your earnings. Be consistent. Consistency is key in any money-making endeavor. The more you engage with Money Pantry, the more opportunities you unlock. Think of it as a treasure hunt where the more you play, the more you find. Make it a habit to check the platform regularly for new offers and surveys. Refer your friends. The more active you are, the more you'll earn. Sharing is caring, and it pays. When you share Money Pantry with friends, you not only help them but also earn rewards for yourself. Refer your friends to Money Pantry and earn rewards when they sign up. It's a win-win. The more friends you refer, the more you can earn. It's that simple. Before jumping into any offer, take a minute to understand the terms and conditions. Knowledge is power, people. Being informed helps you make the best decisions and avoid any pitfalls. Section 5. Don't sleep on the savings. Remember those cashback rewards we talked about? Don't let them gather dust in your account. Cash out your earnings regularly or use them to treat yourself to something nice. You deserve it. Money Pantry is all about empowering you to take control of your finances. Small steps lead to big wins, so start by pocketing those cashback rewards and watch your savings grow. Section 6. Unlock your financial freedom with Money Pantry. Listen, nobody wants to be stressed about money. Money Pantry is your ticket to financial peace of mind. Whether you're saving up for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or just want some extra spending money, Money Pantry is here to help you reach your goals. So what are you waiting for? Join the Money Pantry movement today and start building the financial future you deserve. Trust me, your wallet will thank you.